How to ensure data security for SaaS cloud solutions. Imagine your data is like a valuable treasure chest. Protecting it in a cloud environment requires more than just locking the lid. Let's explore how to keep your data safe when using software as a service. First, understanding the shared responsibility model is key. The cloud provider manages the infrastructure security, like the walls and locks of a vault. But you are responsible for securing access, data, and settings inside the vault. Knowing who handles what helps prevent gaps in security. Next, strong identity and access management is essential. Use centralized systems to control who can log in and what they can see. Implement single sign-on, which allows users to access multiple applications with one login, and connect it to your existing directory services like Microsoft Active Directory. Always follow the principle of least privilege, giving users only the permissions they need for their work. Multi-Factor Authentication adds an extra layer of protection. It requires users to verify their identity through two methods, such as a password and a code sent to their phone. This makes it much harder for hackers to access accounts even if passwords are stolen. Zero Trust security is another important concept. It means never trusting anyone or any device by default. Always verify identities and check device health before granting access. Continuously monitor activity for unusual behavior so you can catch threats early. Knowing what data is sensitive is also vital. Use tools to discover and classify data based on how confidential it is. Label data as public, internal, or confidential. This helps you apply the right protections and stay compliant with regulations. Encrypting data both when stored and during transmission keeps information safe if intercepted. Use strong encryption standards like Advanced Encryption Standard for data at rest and Transport Layer Security for data in transit. Regularly review your security settings with SaaS Security Posture Management tools. These tools scan for misconfigurations, vulnerabilities, and risky integrations. Fix issues before they become problems. Shadow SaaS or unauthorized cloud applications can be a security risk. Scan your network to find these hidden apps, educate employees about risks, and enforce policies to control usage. Audit your data sharing settings often. Make sure sensitive information isn't exposed through outdated or overly broad sharing permissions. Closing unnecessary shares reduces exposure. Set up continuous monitoring with logging and behavior analytics. Detect suspicious activity in real time and have an incident response plan ready to act quickly if a breach occurs. Finally, train your team regularly on SaaS security best practices. Educated users are less likely to fall for phishing scams or make mistakes that lead to data leaks. By following these steps, you can build a layered defense that keeps your data safe in cloud applications. This approach aligns with core SaaS concepts by focusing on access control, data protection, and ongoing risk management. It's all about practical actions that make a real difference in your security posture.